What's up everybody, Babadees here, and today we're making our very first meal using the Multo. What you're looking at is the touchscreen tablet, what has a jog wheel that comes directly with the appliance. You'll see the options of basically doing cooking modes and also hundreds of recipes that you can scroll from. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a seafood dish, which is called the New Orleans-Style BBQ Shrimp. You get to select your servings, of how many people you'll be making this for, and it automatically adjusts the ingredients and the weight that you need for each item. Now let's get all of our ingredients out and start this process. Now normally I would be telling you exactly what to do, but in this case, the Multo is going to tell me what to do. I'm going to go ahead and put in the first step, which is adding garlic. And it goes through each and every step and provides you with detailed instructions on how to actually cook your meal. So let's put the lid on and start the process. All you got to do is hit start and the machine automatically starts. One of the cool features that I like doing with this is just actually moving away from the kitchen and taking a little bit of a break and knowing exactly what's going on. So let's go ahead and add the second ingredient, which is going to be butter, which is going to be rosemary, and which is going to be thyme, and all of the additional grinded seasonings. It makes it easy. Now we're all super busy, but this appliance makes things so simple. If you got kids, if you're working, if you're juggling a whole bunch of different things, why do you have to think about what you're going to be cooking for dinner? So let's go ahead and put the lid on. It automatically tells you that you're going to need to remove the center measuring cup. You're going to push start. It's going to grind, cook, and heat up everything that's needed to make a beautiful meal. You can see it right there. Now you don't have to be a high-level cook or even an entry-level chef. This supports all levels of cooking. It tells you what to do. I'm going to go ahead and put my shrimp in there. They're already peeled. Following the instructions, it automatically starts to heat it up, and they are cooked. I'm going to pull everything out because my Multo is telling me I need to take out the shrimp. Put it into a bowl, and now I can start adding in my chicken broth. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but right on the right-hand side, it's also telling me how much chicken broth I'm putting in. So I know I'm putting in 5 ounces. The same thing goes for the beer that I'm putting in as well. You can see that the numbers are going up because this device also weighs all of your ingredients that you're putting in. It has a built-in scale. No more guessing, no more having to figure things out. It's right in there and it's all available using the Multo Smart Hub. So it's mixing, it's grinding, it's heating up. We got a beautiful sauce happening. The smell that is coming out of this kitchen is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my shrimp, and we're gonna finish it off by adding in my remaining ingredients. So I'm gonna also use the scale feature for this. I'm gonna be putting in a little bit of lemon juice based on what the Multo is telling me for the servings that I'm cooking, which is 1 ounce. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in my garnish as well. And it's also telling me exactly how much to put in for those two. I like to go a little extra. Go ahead and close the lid. We're gonna finish this off. I'm gonna give you some food for thought. The Multo is honestly a quick, easy, innovative machine that I find extremely fun to use. You have hundreds of recipes that are global recipes, so it changes things up in your household. Has a built-in camera. You can take a picture of every single recipe that you make, and you can save it as a part of your favorites. Now, CookingPal has been nice enough to share an exclusive promo code to all of my subscribers, and I'll put all those details in the description below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time because I have a feeling I'll be using this machine next week for something really cool. Stay tuned.